Gentlemen, thanks for tuning in to another episode of ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, 00... Can't really be 007, that's a bit arrogant.
Yeah, I will take 003.14.
Of course you will. I'm joined by Tom, Agent 003.pi here. And today we're at the bug match at the Pima Pistol Club in Tucson. And there's a special theme to the match today, which is Wildcard, where there are 4 stages and there are 4 different equipment divisions in the bug match. Revolver, Hideout, Backup, and Big 5. And today we are using a different gun on each stage. Each stage has its own specific division. And we figured, let's shoot this with the guns of James Bond, because James Bond's pistols can effectively cover all 4 of those categories. So let's just dive straight into our first round, and Tom, we'll see how we can do.
I have good expectations.
Let me just pop in here for a moment to say that if you think James Bond is cool, and if you'd like to know more about the guns that James Bond has used, you should definitely check out Licensed Troubleshooter, The Guns of James Bond. This is the newest book from Headstamp Publishing. It has just launched on Kickstarter for pre-order just a couple of days ago, and it covers the most distinctive, the most iconic, and the most important firearms associated with James Bond, both in all of the movies going back to Sean Connery, as well as all of the novels, both by Fleming and the continuation authors that came after Fleming. So we cover the PPK, the Beretta 418, and so much more, as well as talking about the real-life balances between Bond influencing real life and real life influencing James Bond. So there's a link to the Kickstarter campaign down in the description text. Check it out. And now back to the match.
All right, we are starting on the Revolver stage with a Fitz Special.
As recommended by Major Boothroyd.
Exactly, because Jeffrey Boothroyd tried to convince Fleming to give James Bond an airweight Smith & Wesson Centennial model, which is not quite exactly this, but it is the concept of the fighting revolver modified for covert use, close quarter, confined areas. So with the Fitz Special, the trigger guard's milled off so that if someone tries to grab the gun from you, you don't break your finger in the process. Short barrel, 6 rounds, bobbed hammer, really nice trigger pull on it. This is the gun that hypothetically could have been if Ian Fleming had followed the recommendations of Jeffrey Boothroyd. But he didn't, but we're still going to shoot this stage with a nice Fitz Special. You ready?
I think we should go.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Load and make ready.
Speed loaders. Cup losers need speed loaders. Winners complete the stage with the 6-round gun.
Computer ready. Stand by. Computer ready.
Ready.
Stand by. Twelve.
All right, and now we get to go to James Bond's actual first pistol, which is
The Beretta 418 and 25/8.
Okay, you understand the course of fire?
I do.
Okay. All right, you're ready?
Da-da, da-da, da-da-da. I'm ready. I can't believe you're still using that. Put you in the hospital for 6 weeks last operation.
True, but I've never missed.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by. No! If you're finished, unload and show clear. Good. Dry fire and
Doesn't even ruin the lines of the jacket.
all right, now we have backup division,
Right.
where we of course will use the iconic PPK.
Yeah, first given to Bond in Dr. No by Major Boothroyd after, in the novels, his Beretta gets snagged, resulting in a long recovery process.
Yep.
And they wanted to give something with a bit more stopping power.
Impact like a brick through a plate glass window. Now, throughout the movies primarily, Bond uses a wide variety of different Walthers. Some of them are actually PPs, some of them are PPKs, but it's all kind of depending on what the prop masters had on hand. So what we have here today is a Manuron PPK/S. So we have a PPK slide, but a PP grip, longer grip, short slide, and it's in 380. So we have a magazine capacity of 7 rounds, and looking at the stage, I wish I brought a second mag, but
Make do with
I
what you
didn't.
have.
Indeed. All right, let's give it a go.
Stand
Ready?
by.
I have no idea if I can actually get one in, and
Show make clear.
that's not great. I really wish I'd brought a spare magazine. And I have no good Bond quip, sorry. Make sure I chambered one.
Yep. All right, well, I'm going to learn from the mistakes of other agents and top off the mag.
All right, you understand the fire of the course?
I do.
Shooter stand by.
You're off to the right.
Clear.
All right.
You'll have to do better than that, 007.
I never missed with the Beretta.
All right, Trevelyan. Last but not least, we have the ASP.
Right. Fans of the movie might not recognize it because it is primarily a literary gun.
It's entirely a literary gun, never shown up in a Bond movie, but this was in a number of the continuation novels written after Ian Fleming passed. In fact, they took a couple books, like trying out different guns for Bond. Initially, they gave him an FN 1903.
Right. They
In
thought
9
they
by-
were thinking like that classic
Like
something.
whatever, that was a weird one. Anyway, he ends up with an ASP, which is, I think, an excellent pistol for a more modern era
Oh,
James Bond.
absolutely. Especially if you're looking for that covert, combative styling from 1980s.
A sneaky pistol, ASP. So, let's see how we can handle it.
Load and make ready. Nice grip.
Thank you.
Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by.
I think that'll do it.
Go clear.
Most importantly, nothing in the no-shoots. Oh dear.
Looks like almost nothing on any of the chutes either.
Possibly correct. We definitely got that guy. And I got 3 on that guy. So that would be a total of 10 points. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Fire. I think we can blame the ASP for this one, right?
Yeah,
Def-
I am perfectly fine doing
Definitely problem with the ASP. Not us.
that. Absolutely not. No.
We're fantastic.
Yeah. Inarguably so.
Yeah.
All right, so the match is over.
Yes,
That could have gone better for me.
definitely. Fortunately, I think what we know from Skyfall is that Bond will be certified fit for duty no matter how craptastic he performs.
Yeah,
on
hopefully.
qualification.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah. So, what was your favorite?
All right, well, I'm coming into this with no preconceptions or anything like that because today was my first day shooting every single one of these.
Okay.
To be honest, I kind of like the Beretta. Yes, it's firing at 25. Yes, it has no stopping power, but it fits well in the hand. It has no recoil whatsoever.
Yeah.
And it shot where I wanted it to shoot. So that was pretty good for me. So I liked it.
I'll be honest, my favorite of the bunch is the PPK. Well, in this case, a PPK-S, but I felt that had the right balance, the best combined balance of power, accuracy, reloadability. Like, this Fitz Special is a really nice gun to shoot.
Yeah.
Trigger's fantastic, very controllable, but slow to reload after 6 shots.
Right.
The PPK gives me, 380 here to 38 special there. It's fairly comparable in practical terms, but here I get to reload with a full magazine, or I would if I had thought to bring a full magazine with us today.
Yeah. In theory, yeah.
The ASP, I don't know what was wrong with us shooting it today.
I don't know, like, I was expecting the ASP to do fantastic. I
Yeah,
had
me too.
high expectations, but I don't know if it was me, I don't know if it was the weird gutter snipe system of sights. It just didn't work for me.
No, and me neither. And I've used it before and had good luck with it before. So I think as a pocket pistol, like, I don't really find the handling of the ASP that great. It's a slippery grip to me. And I actually find the PPKS a little more controllable, a little more sure in the hand to use.
Oh, yeah, I
So
100% understand what you're talking about. It fits well, it doesn't slip, yeah.
So we don't know the exact results yet for both of us. I came in higher than you, but
Yes.
by the time you're seeing this, we'll have our results down in the bottom from the overall match. But the whole wild card concept from today's match of a different gun on each stage was also a lot of fun to do.
Oh yeah, I really enjoyed it, and I hope they keep doing it.
Yeah. So, fun opportunity to come out dressed up. My suit from Gray Man here, which is always classy and fantastic. And thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.